I just spent 15 minutes negotiating a hospital bill, so I wanted to share my experience here because it's quite interesting. So hello everyone, I'm Anne, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. And for the little story here, we've got an MRI planned at the local hospital, Greater Houston area. And so when I booked the appointment, I gave the insurance information. So I have an insurance through my employer. I wouldn't say it's a great insurance. It's not a bad insurance either. It's probably average. So I have a deductible to reach each year, and we haven't reached it yet. So they were just leaving me a call to let me know my financial responsibility for the exam. Very nice, thank you. So my financial responsibility for the exam using my insurance is $1,782. So I heard the message and I was like, wow, that is not cheap. I mean, I knew it would be expensive, but not that much. It's supposed to be an insurance negotiated rate, right? So I called them back and I said, okay, out of curiosity, what happens if I don't have insurance here? What if I pay out of pocket? How much would it be? So she spent about 10 minutes and she told me it's going to take me 10 minutes to calculate. So it sounded like and I could hear her, you know, 82, 92, she was adding up numbers. I was like, wow, how much is it going to add up to? So initially, she told me $487 and an additional facility fee to pay $93 after, which is much cheaper, right, than the $1,800 with insurance. But she called me back 10 minutes later saying, I'm so sorry, I made a mistake. Actually, the $487 is the total, including the facility fee. So the whole thing is going to be about $500 if I pay out of pocket, not using insurance. But if I want to use my insurance for whatever it is for, because it doesn't cover anything at this point, I have to pay $1,800. I just couldn't believe it. I mean, by placing the call and paying out of pocket, I decreased my bill. I mean, it's 30% roughly of the amount. That is it. I just don't know how the system works here. I don't understand how you pay 3 times more if you have insurance, given it's out of pocket up to a certain amount, and this amount can be actually quite high depending on your insurance. It just sounds so, I don't know, blew my mind here. But lessons learned: if you haven't reached your deductible, especially now we're toward the end of the year, we're probably not going to reach it anyway as a family. So I'd rather just pay out of pocket, be done with it, and much cheaper. So if you are with exams, medical bills, always try to negotiate, of course, and consider the various options, because having insurance might not be the best. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up please, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you all for watching.